Let's have our last dip here in Anvaya before we proceed to our today's highlight. And let's find out if we can able to strike out. Good morning, Bataan. Yes, we are still here in Anvaya Cove, Bataan, and it's our last day. Our checkout time is 12 noon. So this is 115 square meters unit, a rent of 13,000 per night, with a service fee of 1,835 pesos, with full amenities and fully furnished unit. 2 double bedrooms with 4 double beds, 2 bathrooms, kitchen and living room area with 3 sofa beds with pull-outs.
Good morning! Breakfast at Anvaya, Morong, Bataan.
Just like any condo unit, Seabreeze Veranda has their own swimming pool. We just have to walk all the way up to their pool area. This one is different from the central pool at Anvaya, which we visited from last episode. The pool is divided into sections for kids and adults to enjoy. You can enjoy this fantastic view of nature's beauty while immersing in cool waters of Seabreeze Veranda's pool. So now we're gonna head back to our unit in preparation for our 12 noon checkout.
Down from the pool. The stairs. Here is Anvaya.
If you wish to check our unit tour, the YouTube link of Anvaya Bataan is on the description box below.
Tayo barilan.
Gusto ba daw nila?
Tayo.
Yan na guys, nagkakayayaan na sa barilan. Well, before we proceed onto our next agenda, we'll have our stopover at Coco restaurant for our lunch. We just have to restore some energy before we do some firing. Filipino food are mostly offered here. You can choose among fish, pork, beef, vegetables, or seafood. And their bestseller is pineapple rice. We ordered seafood kare-kare, grilled tuna belly, pineapple rice, and laing. We headed straight to Clark, Pampanga to do some outdoor firing activity. We have arrived at Gemic Clark Sports Club. They also have other activities like airsoft, firing, ATV ride, and archery. Here are the rates for the firing. There is an entrance fee for every player, another fee for the chosen gun, which is shareable by 2 persons, and another fee for their chosen number of bullets. And this is where the action will happen. Your friends and family can sit around in the waiting shed while you enjoy some gun firing.
Black first.
Oh!
Black first.
Okay. And of course, we will not go home unless we try it. So for our safety, the instructor gave us some guidelines before we start firing.
Itong front sight mo dapat nandito sa kanan nito. Pantay. Lagay mo to dito. Pantay na po siya. Lock. Pantay na. No. 1, 2.
I've actually tried indoor shooting before, But this one is a bit different because of the range of distance and the multiple metal plates that you have to target.
Turn side, level to target. Squeeze the trigger slowly. Find nice lock first. Inhale, pause. Good. Ready? Trigger slowly. Find nice lock first. Inhale.
And the action begins.
Good. Ganun lang ha. Good.
Actually, medyo mabigat at nakakangalay. Pati na rin tumitig at umasinta. But overall, it's fulfilling when you're able to strike those metal plates. So we spent a total of 2,800, inclusive of entrance fee, using 1911 gun and 20 bullets shareable by 2 persons. So for today's activity, we learned to aim for accuracy. Well, thank you for watching for today's episode. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button for more updates.